Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all of you. Dear students, as you know, I am Mushtaq Amir, professional teacher posted UPS Girls Langate. Today we are going to discuss your science subject, general science, and our topic is separation of substances. So, dear students, yesterday we have started this lesson, separation of substances and methods of separation. So we have discussed some methods of separation yesterday. We discussed hand picking, threshing and winnowing, etc. Now today we will discuss number fourth method of separation, that is sieving. So sieving हम किसको बोलते हैं? So dear students, sometimes we may wish to prepare a dish with flour. We need to remove impurities which are present in it. What do? We use a sieve and pour the flour into it. हमें कभी कोई डिश बनाना होता है फ्लोर में, जो जिसको हम आटा बोलते हैं, अगर हम कोई डिश बनाना चाहें तो उसको उसमें जो इम्प्योरिटीज है, हाउ कैन वी रिमूव दोज वेरी इम्प्योरिटीज फ्रॉम दैट वेरी फ्लोर? सो वी यूज हियर डिवाइस दैट इज कॉल्ड है सीवी. ये हमारे पास है सीवी है, ये इसको हम सीवी बोलते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं, वी पोर दिस फ्लोर इन दिस सीवी. सो द फ्लोर पार्टिकल्स और द फ्लोर जो फाइन पार्टिकल्स है, दैट विल पास थ्रू दिस सीवी. And the impurities which are present in this floor in the form of dust, in the form of husk, etc., they will remain on the surface of the sieve. So in this way we can separate these components of mixtures. Dear students, after this we can add, that means sieve जब हम define करेंगे, it means sieve allow the fine floor particles to pass through the holes of the sieve. This sieve we use in floor mills. जहाँ आपके बुक पे दिया गया है, here floor mills में भी जो भी वहाँ पे impurities होती है, we can remove those very with this sieving, and we can also use this for construction sites. We can remove the pebbles and stones from the sand. ये हो गया number 4. अब number 5 जो है वो है sedimentation. Sedimentation हम किसको बोलते हैं? Dear students, sometimes it may not be possible to separate components of mixture by hand picking, by threshing or by winnowing. So in that very case we can use a method that is known as sedimentation. So what do you mean by sedimentation? Sedimentation means when the heavier components of mixture settle after adding water in it is called as sedimentation. तो यहाँ पे मैं आपको थोड़ा बहुत दिखाऊंगा बच्चों. यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे मैंने एक here I have taken a beaker, मैंने एक बीकर लाया है, या समझो कोई यूटेंसिल है जो हम घर में इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Now we are going to cook rice or pulses at our home. Before we go to cook rice or pulses, we wash them with water. What will happen? This rice or the pulses, they contain so many impurities in the form of dust, in the form of husks, or in the form of soil. When this are mixed with this water, these soil particles or dust will get mixed with this water. अब यहाँ से देखो, ये जो इसमें राइस मैंने डाला है, तो इसमें जो भी इम्प्योरिटीज वो वाटर के साथ मिक्स हो गए हैं. नाउ अब हम इसको यहाँ रखेंगे. कीप इट हियर फॉर 5 or 10 minutes. आफ्टर दैट इसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं, इसके बाद हम ये उठाएंगे और इसको हम we will pour this into another vessel. That water which contains this dust, इसमें डस्ट है, इसमें सॉइल है और भी कुछ पार्टिकल्स है, we will pour, इसको हम और दूसरे बर्तन में डालेंगे ऐसे. So this process, the process removing of water along with the dust into another beaker or into another vessel, that is called decantation. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मैंने ये दिखाया है आपको, ये आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे मैंने लिख के रखा है decantation. Removing of water along with the dust is called decantation. So, dear students, decantation, we can also use this method. The same method is also used to separate the mixtures of two liquids. हमारे पास sometimes we have two liquids which do not mix completely. Those liquids are called immiscible liquids. और the liquids which mix completely, those are called miscible liquids. Miscible liquids में आप देख सकते हैं, जैसे हमारे पास पानी, उसमें हम नींबू डालते हैं, वो completely mix होता है, या हमारे पास मिल्क होता है, उसमें हम पानी डालते हैं, वो भी completely mix होता है. लेकिन जब हमारे पास पानी होगा, उसमें अगर हम तेल डालेंगे, that oil will float on the surface of the water. That is those two liquids are called immiscible liquids, so that वो जो oils पे रहता है, we can separate that oil from that very water with the help of this method, this decantation method. हो गए ये. अब इसके बाद नंबर 7 जो है वो है evaporation. क्या है? Evaporation. So evaporation, first of all, you must know what is evaporation. Evaporation simply आपको पता है, evaporation means conversion of water into water vapors. ये क्या with the help of sunlight or with the help of heat. Water vapors में change that's known as evaporation. So evaporation चेस करा वहां पे हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Suppose you are given a mixture of, you are given a solution of salt solution. हम आपको देंगे वो solution जिसमें salt होगा. How can you separate the salt from that very solution? So we can separate that salt by the process, by the method of this evaporation. तो यहाँ पे हम लाएंगे, यहाँ पे मैंने एक ये बीकर लाया है, इसमें वाटर डाला है, इसमें salt है, या कोई भी यूटेंसिल होगा घर में, यहाँ इसमें डालेंगे वाटर. अब ये salt solution है, तो नीचे से हम इसको हीट देंगे. यहाँ पे हमने इसको हीट दिया है. What will happen? The water which is present in this beaker, that will change into water vapors through evaporation, and the salt will not evaporate. It will settle down at the bottom of this beaker. In this way, we can separate salt from the salt solution. ठीक है बच्चों? Okay, I think this is enough for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will discuss further. Have a nice day. Thank you.